Ever notice how a weak hose nozzle turns watering into a frustrating mess? Today I'm revealing the best gardening hose nozzle options that deliver real pressure, precision, and control. You'll quickly see which one saves water and time. Check the links below to grab yours and transform your garden routine. The number 6 product on our list is VIKING Hose Nozzle. A weak spray can turn a simple outdoor task into a slow and frustrating chore. Water dribbles instead of cleans, plants get blasted instead of nourished, and your grip slips the moment pressure increases. The VIKING Hose Nozzle changes that experience with a heavy-duty build designed for real everyday use. It fits any standard garden hose and adjusts smoothly from a focused high-pressure stream to a gentler spray, giving you control whether you are rinsing patio furniture, washing the car, or watering delicate flowers. That flexibility matters because outdoor tasks are never one size fits all. The rubberized handle provides a secure grip even when your hands are wet, allowing steady control at different pressure levels. Many homeowners searching for a reliable gardening hose nozzle worry about leaks or weak construction. This model includes an extra rubber washer for a tighter seal and feels sturdy enough to handle regular cleaning sessions without wearing down quickly. The pros are durable construction, adjustable spray patterns, comfortable grip, and compatibility with standard hoses. The cons are fewer preset spray modes compared to multi-pattern plastic nozzles and a more traditional design that focuses on strength over flashy features. Compared with lightweight plastic sprayers that crack under pressure, this option feels more solid and dependable for long-term use. It suits gardeners, car enthusiasts, and homeowners who want one reliable tool for outdoor cleaning and watering tasks. When water flows exactly the way you need it to, outdoor work feels less like effort and more like smooth progress. At number 5 is Melnor Hose Nozzle. Most garden tools fail quietly, cracking under pressure just when the heat of summer demands more from them. A flimsy sprayer can waste water, frustrate your grip, and leave plants either drenched or thirsty. The Melnor Hose Nozzle steps in with rugged metal construction built for years of steady use, offering a reassuring weight and durability that immediately feels different from lightweight plastic alternatives. 7 dynamic spray patterns give you control over every watering chore, from a gentle mist for seedlings to a strong jet for blasting dirt off driveways. That versatility matters because gardens, patios, and cars all require different water flow. The included quick connect adapter simplifies switching between tools, saving time during busy outdoor sessions. Many homeowners searching for a dependable gardening hose nozzle want flexibility without leaks or awkward handling. This design balances strength with practicality, allowing smooth adjustments between patterns without stiffness. The pros are solid metal durability, multiple spray options, reliable performance for heavy-duty tasks, and convenient quick connect compatibility. The cons are slightly more weight compared to basic plastic nozzles and the need for a separate quick connect end piece for full functionality. Compared with simple twist nozzles that offer limited spray control, this model feels more capable and refined for varied yard work. It suits gardeners nurturing flower beds, homeowners cleaning patios, and anyone maintaining lawns who wants consistent water control. When watering becomes precise and effortless, outdoor care feels less like a chore and more like a satisfying rhythm that keeps your space thriving. At number 4 is RESTMO Hose Nozzle. A cheap hose nozzle can turn a peaceful afternoon in the garden into a battle with leaks, slippery grips, and uneven spray. Water splashes where it should not. Pressure drops without warning, and your hands ache before the job is done. The RESTMO hose nozzle feels like a serious upgrade from that frustration. Built from heavy-duty zinc alloy with a protective coating, it has the solid weight and durability that inspires trust the moment you attach it to your hose. The thumb control design changes everything. Instead of squeezing a stiff trigger, you smoothly adjust water flow with a simple push, shifting from gentle mist to strong pressure without interrupting your rhythm. That small detail makes long watering sessions noticeably easier. With 9 spray patterns including shower, jet, cone, flat, and mist, this gardening hose nozzle adapts to every task. Whether you are rinsing a driveway, washing the car, bathing the dog, or protecting delicate flower beds, the ergonomic handle wrapped in soft TPU coating reduces hand fatigue and fits comfortably across different grip sizes. The pros are durable metal construction, precise thumb flow control, versatile spray options, and a leak-resistant seal that fits standard garden hoses securely. The cons are slightly heavier weight compared to basic plastic sprayers and a higher cost than entry-level models. Compared with lightweight nozzles that crack after a season, this option feels more dependable for long-term use. It suits dedicated gardeners, homeowners maintaining lawns, and anyone who values consistent water control. When every spray lands exactly where it should, outdoor care becomes smooth and satisfying. The third one on our list is ESOW hose nozzle. A flimsy hose nozzle can waste more than water. It wastes time, energy, and patience. Drips at the connection. Cracked plastic after one accidental drop. Uneven spray that soaks the driveway instead of the flower beds. The ESOW hose nozzle feels like it was built specifically to end that cycle. Crafted from powder-coated zinc alloy, it carries a solid weight in your hand that immediately signals durability. This is not a disposable sprayer. It is designed to handle daily use, resist rust, and survive the bumps and drops that come with real yard work. The rotating dial offers 8 distinct watering patterns, from a focused high-pressure jet for blasting dirt off patios to a soft shower that protects delicate plants. That flexibility matters when one afternoon includes washing the car, rinsing garden tools, and watering new seedlings. The thumb controller simplifies everything. Push forward for more flow. Ease back to reduce pressure. No stiff squeeze trigger, no awkward locking clip. Just smooth, one-finger control that feels natural even during longer sessions. The ergonomic handle wrapped in soft TPU coating reduces fatigue and fits comfortably in different hand sizes. The pros are heavy-duty metal construction, intuitive thumb control, versatile spray options, and a leak-resistant fit for standard garden hoses. The cons are slightly heavier weight compared to lightweight plastic models and a more industrial look that prioritizes function over style. Compared with basic multi-pattern nozzles that wear out quickly, this option feels far more dependable. When water flows exactly where you direct it, gardening becomes focused and satisfying instead of frustrating. On number 2 is RESTMO heavy-duty hose nozzle. Most garden frustrations start with a tiny crack in a plastic nozzle that slowly turns watering into a messy, leaking chore. Drips at the connection, weak spray patterns, slippery grips that make your hand ache before the job is finished. The RESTMO heavy-duty hose nozzle feels like a serious answer to those everyday annoyances. Built from solid zinc alloy, it carries a sturdy, reassuring weight that signals durability the moment you attach it to your hose. This is a gardening hose nozzle designed to handle real outdoor work, not just light misting. The rotating dial offers 7 distinct spray patterns including jet, shower, mist, flood, cone, full, and flat, giving you precise control whether you are blasting dirt off a driveway, rinsing your car, watering flower beds, or gently bathing a dog. The thumb controller makes adjustments effortless. Push forward to increase flow. Ease back to reduce pressure. No stiff trigger to squeeze repeatedly. The ergonomic handle, coated in soft TPU rubber, stays comfortable in both summer heat and winter chill, reducing fatigue during longer sessions. The pros are durable metal construction, versatile spray options, intuitive thumb control, and a tight leak-resistant seal that fits standard garden hoses. The cons are slightly more weight compared to lightweight plastic models and a more functional appearance rather than decorative styling. Compared with basic multi-pattern plastic nozzles, this option feels far more dependable for consistent outdoor use. When water flows smoothly and precisely where you direct it, yard work becomes controlled, efficient, and unexpectedly satisfying. Now moving to the last one is FANHAO hose nozzle. Most watering problems do not begin with the hose. They begin with a weak nozzle that leaks, cracks, or fails under pressure right when you need it most. The FANHAO hose nozzle feels like it was engineered to eliminate that frustration from day one. Built from 100% metal with a zinc alloy body and trigger, it replaces fragile plastic with solid durability that resists rust, corrosion, and daily wear. The one-piece design paired with multiple internal rubber washers creates a tight, leak-resistant seal that fits standard garden hoses without adapters, making setup simple and reliable. 4 adjustable spray patterns give you flexibility for real-world tasks, from rinsing dirt off a driveway to watering flower beds with a gentler stream. Rotate the head to select the pattern, press the front trigger, and the flow responds immediately. The built-in lock bar keeps water running without constant pressure on your hand, a small feature that makes a noticeable difference during longer watering sessions. The pros are durable metal construction, leak-proof connection, practical spray options, and a labor-saving lock mechanism that reduces hand fatigue. The cons are fewer spray modes compared to some multi-pattern competitors and slightly heavier weight than lightweight plastic options. Compared with basic plastic gardening hose nozzles that degrade over time, this version feels sturdier and more dependable for regular outdoor use. It suits homeowners maintaining lawns, gardeners caring for plants, and anyone washing vehicles or patios who want steady water control without constant adjustments. When every spray feels controlled and consistent, outdoor work becomes smoother and far more satisfying. So guys, this was the video about the best gardening hose nozzle. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.